So hi and welcome to my drugs and alcohol end product. So in this end product we'll be discussing drugs, alcohol, their effects, how we can refuse drugs and alcohol, and how we can combat them in society. So what are drugs and alcohol? Drugs are any substance that when taken into the body alter the body's function either physically or mentally. Drugs can be illegal such as cocaine or illegal such as alcohol and tobacco. Alcohol is a more common and widely accepted form of drug. It refers to beer, wine, or spirits that contain ethyl alcohol that cause drunkenness. So, marijuana, cannabis, also commonly referred to as weed, kush, or grass, is the most commonly used drug in Australia. Cannabis is usually smoked in hand-rolled cigarettes called joints or in water pipes called bongs. Sometimes it is mixed into foods such as cakes and cookies and are eaten. The effects of marijuana are feeling unusually happy and laughing a lot more than usual, greening out, which is where the user tends to feel extremely sick, feeling relaxed, feeling hungry, feeling drowsy, sometimes vomiting after greening out, and dry and red eyes. So ecstasy is also referred to as eccy or pingers, and is a common form of party drug that comes in tablets and that can be crushed or swallowed. Ecstasy contains MDMA, but also has many other products in the tablet that can be extremely dangerous, such as rat poison in some cases. The effects of ecstasy are your heart beats faster, blood pressure rises, body temperature rises, you feel euphoric, which means you're happy and loving. You sweat more, it can make you feel sick in the stomach and vomit, and you can dehydrate. And some people have actually died due to the dehydration effect. So next up is how can we refuse drugs and alcohol if it's offered to us. So let's just have a look at this clip first.
Look, man, I know you're not a drug guy, and I respect that about you. But right now, this is what you need.
What is it?
It's ecstasy. It'll put the brakes on your little freak out. Just take it.
Right.
So here the main character could have clearly said no. So some ways he could have refused this drug is he could have said no politely but in a strong and assertive tone of voice. After saying no, you can try to change the topic of the conversation. And finally, if the person continues to pressure you to do drugs or to drink, you need to again say no and provide a reason and possibly walk away from your friend or the situation at hand. So finally we come to how we can combat drugs in society. And so some ways we can do this is by making people drug aware and continuing to use drug awareness campaigns. And also we can do what the Victorian government are doing, and they're cracking down on drug use and the selling of drugs and methamphetamines. And this is just what they've been doing over the past year or so.
The House was also a front for the distribution of illegal substances. Substances that will now never make it onto the streets.
Have seized a large quantity of cash and drugs and arrested a number of males in relation.
And so that is my video. So thank you for watching.